For a recently released computer, the function y equals 214.51 times 0.41 to power x models the revenue earned y in millions dollars each week x for several weeks after its release. How much more money based on the equation in millions of dollars was earned in revenue for week 2 than for week 5? So we have given function which models revenue earned x is each week, because we have to find how much more money was earned in revenue for week 2 than for week 5. So first we need to find the revenue for week 2 and week 5. We will use this equation. First, because we have week 2, we will substitute x by 2. Then we calculate for revenue for week 5. We substitute x by 5 because this is 5th week. And then we need to do subtraction. So let's do this. Week 2, what will be? X is equal to, and to our formula, which models revenue y, we have to substitute x by 2. So this is equal, we will use calculator, we have 214.51 times, and we have decimal point 41 to second power. So this is equal 36.05 we have, and next is 9. So we will round to the second digit after decimal point. After 5 we had 9. It means we have to add 1 to 5 to 100 position. So we will have 36.06, and revenue is given in $1,000,000. So we have 36 millions.06 dollars. Next, we need to find the revenue for week 5th. So x is equal 5. And now we will use again the same formula. We substitute x by 5 now. We will use calculator. So we have 214.51 times, and we have 0.41 to power 5. So this is equal, again we will round to the 100th. After second digits after decimal point we have 5. It means we have to add 1 to the 100th position. So it will be 8 plus 1 will be 9. So we have $2.49 million. And because we have to calculate how much more money we have in revenue for week 2 than for week 5, we see the difference. We have 36 in second weeks, and in the 5th we have only 2 millions something. So we will subtract from week 2 the revenue of week 5th. So let's write that this is, because we have second week, so let's write here that this is 2, y2 and y5. So from y2 we have to revenue of week 2, we have to subtract revenue of 5th week. So this is equal, let's forget about the dollar symbol, so it will be 36.06 minus 2.49. Again we will use calculator, or if you can do subtraction, like subtraction of decimal, of course, numbers. So if you don't have calculator, what will be 36.06 minus we have to keep decimal point, so 2, and decimal point we have to have in the same column, 4, 9 we have. So 6 minus 9 we cannot do, so we have to borrow from 6, 1, so now will be 5, and we will have 9, at the end will be 16. So 16 minus 9 is 7, 9 minus 4 is 5, we copy decimal point in the same column, 5 minus 2 is 3, and we have 3. So we got that in week 2 they earn $33.57 million more than in week 5.